Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the seamless steps to add multiple secondary accounts to your Meta Quest 3, allowing friends and family to maintain their own game saves and achievements on a single headset. First, put on your Quest 3 headset and click on the universal menu bar to open your quick settings panel. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access the full settings page, and then navigate to the Accounts section. Here, you will see a prominent Add Account button. Select it, and the system will prompt you to set a device passcode to protect your admin profile if you haven't already. Next, pass the headset to the secondary user. They will be greeted by an on-screen pairing code and a web address. They simply need to open a browser on their smartphone or computer, log into their personal Meta account, and input that exact code. You can also toggle the app sharing option right beneath the accounts list, so the new profile instantly gains free access to your entire library of purchased games. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.